The bathroom is the most disgusting I've ever seen in my entire life. Let me sit you right here. I'm gonna build a fire right off the bat.
It ain't about fake friends. And screw your ex is such a flake. Forget your grades, you need a break. It's all about you. No matter what the others say. But now I'm
Kind of cold to be outside. I have a fire going. And I have water going for chicken coconut curry, which is an REI. Well, it's Peak brand, but you get them at REI. And you can get them on Amazon, actually. I've got them at both places. The butternut squash is also one of my favorites. Fiona's kind of confused with what we're doing. And I got a seasonal beer. There's pepperoni in that dog food. And water, it's warm. So there's been the same car there at the Hot Spring parking area for quite some time. So I'm assuming that is a good sign because they've been down there for a long time. So that makes me happy. I am not gonna go tonight. It's cold and it's windy. And I don't want to get out of a hot spring in the wind. So of course the sun's, well, you can't see the sun because of the clouds, but it's always windier when the sun goes down. So I will probably hang out here tonight and go in the morning. Of course, Fiona ate all of her dog food since I have pepperoni in it. And I heated it up for her. She's such a spoiled little chubbo. I'm gonna have to put her on a diet when we get home. I usually measure their dog food and she gets like so much in the morning and then she gets so much at night. But when I'm traveling, she does not eat very well. So I'm just letting her eat whatever she wants. I'm just spoiling her rotten. Like I'm spoiling myself rotten right now. I'm tired and I'm ready for bed. But is it ridiculous that it's only 6:32?
I'm talking the lights on me. I tell you, I guarantee this night's about to take a turn for the better. Now the rain is pouring and all I see is lightning around my feet. Now nothing can bring me down. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance.
I started getting ready for bed about 6:45. I know. And then about 7:15, I was in here and it just started downpouring. I was so happy that I got all my stuff together. I slept very well last night. I laid in bed and watched Leave Her Wild, her live that she had the other day. Laid in bed and watched it. I think it lasted an hour. And then I went right to sleep. I was asleep by 8 and I didn't wake up till 7. So I slept fantastic. As soon as I'm done eating, I'm gonna take my coffee and I'm gonna go down to the hot spring. There was a group of people already there this morning. They were there, stayed for a while, left before the sun came up. I'm not gonna take Fiona. It does specifically say no dogs. So Fiona will be just fine laying on my bed. I don't have the fan on. I got this noise. I don't think you can hear me. I think we're in the clear. I just saw the last people leave. Also wearing clothing in this hot spring because there's several elderly couples here, and you know, I just want to be respectful. I mean, I'm kind of modest, even though you can't tell, but I would be okay if I wasn't the only naked person in a hot spring. It's very awkward when everybody else is wearing swimsuits and I'm the only one naked. It makes it very awkward, and it's never graceful getting out of a hot spring naked. You're always exposing somebody, so I'm not gonna do that. Okay. Here I go. It's cold outside too.
I'm aware of the bonds that were created today. When you told
That was definitely bear poop. You could see like little berry seeds in it. God, look at my white hair. I'm not dyeing my hair. I'm just gonna let it be white. I'm gonna grow old gracefully. Smile, wrinkles, and all.
much cleaner after it rained. Follow my love, the sentence in spring air. Follow the moon into the sun. There's a call for new beginnings here. Let the sorrow of yester disappear. Let your body be new. I'm a wanderer of the soul. Before the end, I plan to behold. But I know I'll lose myself along the way. What's gone is gone. What's past is past. Let me leave what belongs in the past. Road ahead is quite unclear. Let me walk it despite fear. The road stretches over the hills.
There is a trail going up to the top, so if I can get up there with my slides on, I'll go up there and check it out. So if you know where you're going, it's probably only a 5-minute walk from the trailhead. My guess the temperature's maybe 101. It felt a little warmer when I first got in, but it's probably about 101. I forgot my thermometer.
Follow voices from below. Wherever I go, there's a chain. My own shackles drive me insane. Let your body be new.
I think that spider just went in the water. Do spiders do that? Okay, I'm getting away from the spider area. Oh, it's so creepy. Considering I saw bear poo, I should have turned around and got my bear spray, but I couldn't be bothered with it. I'm thinking that there's been enough traffic right here that, you know, the bears are going to stay clear. There's been a lot of people here this morning. I think there's another soaking tub up here. Oh, maybe not. There's not. It's just a little tiny one. Hi. Are you sad? Oh, big shake. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. So I am going to pack up and leave now. Thank you if you made it this long. I really, really appreciate it. Subscribe, comment, do all that stuff, thumbs up, you know the drill. Do all that stuff for me, and I'll see you next time. I am off like a herd of turtles, which is better than a herd of hurdles, right?